So we have a huge 3D LED display. And it's giving a 3D effect because you're using the full screen all the way to the corners. Glasses free, 3D. And we have the little robot guy. I can ask this robot, hey, what's up? Are you able to speak? Can you show me around? No? Please? No? Okay. Cool. Okay, so let's go in there and have a look at Acer's latest 3D Predator. And there's some Predator laptops. And on the side, showing Spatial Labs View Pro with a triple 3D monitor, tracking the eye. And over there, also 3D, tracking the eye. And it's even in the laptop. Glasses free 3D experience. Right. There's also a very wide monitor. And the big desktops, Predator, clears motion, and some nice looking desktops. Oh, what's wrong with him? It's all pulled apart. And on that side, EV charger, air purifier, machine to check the eye, and a couple Chromebooks, but the Intel powered Vero 513 and Vero 712 Intel CPUs. And then we have a few more Veros here. And here we have a Wi-Fi 6, the best in show, with a mesh router and a material that's recyclable. So it says it's running the hybrid quality of service software. QoS. Here's the Acer Vero and some bags that are also maybe good for the environment. All right. 8.6 times less. Oh, you can have 8.6 bottles inside. Oh, it's made of bottles. All right. Okay. So there it is. You can drink your water and then you can build a bag out of it. Thank you. And here it says BC Best Choice Acer. All right. Well, thanks for watching my Acer booth tour. I don't see any ARM laptops. It's not a priority right here as far as I can see. It's Intel and there's a bicycle. All right, thanks for watching. Thanks very much to ZXS to be one of my sponsors here at Computex 2023. ZXS is based in Shenzhen and I will be doing a video very soon with them featuring their transparent displays, OLED, LCD light box ads machine. So thanks a lot. I did video with them
nearly 10 years ago when they were doing tablets, and now they do these cool devices. Thanks a lot for watching. Check them out.